Hello everyone, welcome to the ITLS Academy. Today we are going to perform another experiment in the series of food adulteration, and today the experiment that we are going to perform is a detection of that common salt into a coriander powder. Now before starting this experiment, we have to know that why this adulteration are perform in our food industry. We all know that this adulteration are very harmful for the health of the human being. Now, why the manufacturer adulterate, why manufacturer perform the adulteration in case of the food product? So the question of the answer of this question is very simple, is to get a profit. Okay, everyone wants a profit, so the reason behind that addition of that adulterant into the food product is only that the profit. Okay, now what is the adulteration? Adulteration is a process in which a food, a substance are added into a food product so that the quantity of that food product are increases, and sometimes it also increase the flavor of that food product, color of that food product, and when the color of that food product are enhanced, it attract the consumer. Then this is a reason behind the addition of that performing the adulteration. The substance which are used for performing the adulteration are known as a adulterant, and sometimes adulteration are also defined as eliminating the good food ingredients with the bad food ingredients which the manufacturer get in a cheaper rate, so that the quantity of that product are increases, but ultimately the nutritional value and the flavor of the food product are decreases. Here the adulterants are what adulterant that added into the food product is a common salt, and the sample that we take is a coriander powder. And the reason is very simple and very and even similar to the previous one, that is the enhance the quantity of the coriander powder. Okay, the reason behind the addition of that common salt into a coriander powder is only to enhance the quantity of the coriander powder. But when a common salt are added, it decreases the nutritional value, it decreases the quality of the coriander powder, and when a consumer consume in an excess amount of that common salt, it leads to the increment in the blood pressure of the human being, and also leads to the problem like your cardiovascular disease. So that's why it is very important to detect that common salt into the coriander powder. Now for performing this experiment, we required only one chemical, that is your silver nitrate 0.1 molar. Now for preparing this solution, we use a formula, that is weight is equal to normality multiplied by molecular weight multiplied by volume taken divided by 1000. We have to prepare a 0.5 molar, so molarity will be 0.5. Then we put a molecular weight of the silver nitrate, and then how much volume we have to prepare. Then we divide it with the 1000, because if we have to prepare in ml, then we have to divide it by 1000, because molarity is always in a liter. Okay, and if we have to prepare in liter, then we don't need to divide it with the 1000. For more detail, how we prepare this solution and how the solution preparation are take place, you can visit our YouTube channel and see the video related to this, that is your solution preparation, in which we explain it very clearly. Now come to the topic. Then we required a test tube stand, micropipette of 1000 microliter or 1 ml, then and micropipette. Then we required a dropper. Then we required a water, weighing balance for weighing the coriander powder. Now how we perform this experiment? We take a 1 gram of coriander powder. Then we add a 3 ml of water. Then after that, we have to add a 1 to 2 drop of that silver nitrate. If we get a white precipitate, then it indicates that the common salt are present into a coriander powder. Now start the experiment. We have to take a weight of the coriander powder with the help of the weighing balance. Put the aluminum foil into the weighing balance and don't forget to tear the weight of the aluminum foil. Now we have to add 1 gram of coriander powder into the test tube. Now take a test tube, add 1 gram, transfer it very carefully. Then after that, what we have to do, we have to add a 3 ml of the water into it. One, two, three. Then what we have to do, we have to add a 1 to 2 drop of that silver nitrate into it. Mix it properly. Okay. Now add this 1, 2. If this common salt are present, then we get what? We get a white precipitate. Here you see that we don't get any white precipitate, which means that our sample does not contain any common salt, which means that our sample are pure. So this is all about the detection of the common salt into the coriander powder. I hope you will understand, but if you have any query related to this experiment, you are free to ask me in a comment box, or for a further detail, you can follow the ITLS Academy on different platforms, that is your Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, WhatsApp and LinkedIn, and subscribe our channel ITLS Academy on YouTube and get our app from a Google Play. You can also visit our website, that is your www.itlsacademy.com. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe our channel.